today. And still provisional. I should take 3 right, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's today on Kinaporinkatu. Kinaporinkatu 3. Here in Södertälje, Södertälje, Helsinki is for sure.
Alppiharju.
Alppiharju, Finland, but it's close to Södertälje.
Yeah.
And there's some 9 Södertälje metro station. At the junction. But is this the only staircase in the city?
Yes.
Yes, we got. Okay. Built by members in 1938. Turning 85 years old this year in 2023. That's 6 months. It's going to be inspected the next year, 2024. And December is AF507. I like the smell in here.
Yeah, same here.
Let's try to get 3 ounce here. We don't want any bad situation.
Yeah.
I love the sounds in here, it's so electric.
Yeah. Inspected by QA inspector, maintained by Schindler.
Some of the sounds are just like it's strange. It's like that whisper.
Yeah.
Maybe it's not oiled very well.
Yeah.
It sounds like that. But there's nothing wrong with the elevator. It's just the oil.
Yeah.
And you can hear that sound of the friction.
Yeah.
This one doesn't have the alarm button.
Yeah.
The gate is beautiful too.
Yeah.
Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the as much as we did. It is also one of the better ones, of course.
Yeah.
Or one of the best ones. Maybe one of them behind the old window.
Yes. That's